Good morning, Centurions. I am Akshat Srivastav of Alambagh branch Centurion Academy. I have been enrolled into this academy since the month of July, and I have been part of its written and as well as SSB preparations. I have been into writtens for the month of September, and I have cracked my written examination in the first attempt itself, and later on I prepared for my SSB, which was on 8th of Feb in Allahabad SSB board 34 SSB. I have been a part of the SSB program of the Centurion Academy. They have guided me really well, and it was my determination and the help of this institute that made me crack my SSB in the first attempt itself. Now I would like to share my experience of 5 days which was there in 34 SSB Allahabad. I have been called a day before the SSB for the reporting. I have been on 7th of Feb to Allahabad SSB board. First day my documents were checked, and that day was quite nervous for me because the next day was my screening test. But somehow in my heart I was confident that I'll go through it. Then the next day was my screening test. It went really well. The pictures were very hazy, but since I have practiced so much, so it was not quite hard for me to write a clean and better story for my PP and DT. For the PP and DT, we have given the 30 minutes break, and after the 30 minutes break, the GD was conducted, and I had an active participation in my GD. We had 21 members in the group, but everyone got the chance to speak because the previous night we had all discussed that we'll be really friendly to each other and we'll give each other's best. So my PP and DT went really well, and out of 21 students in our group, 19 were screened in. And later on, then the second day comes, which was the psychology part. I have been practicing here a lot about the SRT, VAT and the TAT stories, because the study material provided over the Centurion Academy is really great. So the practice helped me a lot to crack my psychology test, because I couldn't face any difficulties in writing those stories or the VAT or SRT. Everything was prepared, so I could attempt as much as I can because of my writing speed. So like my psychology test went really well, and the basic thing that I could connect with the stories was that the whatever words and whatever the pictures were coming was somewhat related to my life. So I could write a story which belonged to me. So that helped me a lot in connecting my stories with myself, and later on it helped me in my interview as well as my GTO tasks. Then the second day comes, which was the first day of our GTO. In this we had some group tasks as well as at last our group was divided, and we had some half group tasks as well as individual tasks. So the group task went really well because the previous day we discussed among the group that no one will create any kind of nuisance, because that's really important, because if you are bonded with them, then the next day you will not find any kind of difficulties in performing the task, because coordination among the group is the most important thing that requires in SSB. So the second day begins where the GD and GP started. I had a really smooth experience in GD and GP because my group was really cooperating with each other and we are interacting very well. And later on comes the group obstacle race, which was the most important race among the group tasks. So our group came the first in the group obstacle race. We faced quite difficulties in between because some of our group members were like touching the red portions, but somehow we recovered because of our teamwork and management. We could complete all the obstacles as soon as possible, and our group secured the first position. And that's all about the group task. Then the group was divided into the half, that is half group tasks, and the half group task we could complete in merely 1 or 2 minutes, which was the time given was 10 minutes, but the group was really cooperative, so I could complete it really soon. Then comes our lecturate. Lecturate topics were quite easy, and no need to worry about the lecturate topics. You just need to be aware of your environment, and that would be very helpful in your lecturate, because the topics in lecturates are the general topics that goes on day-to-day life. So my lecturate experience was very great because you are given a 3 minutes time to prepare, and at that moment you cannot prepare your topic, you just have to conclude your topic. Like you have to divide your topics into parts and make a final conclusion of your topic so that you could present it at the time of lecturate. Then the lecturate ended and the day also ended, and the next day came, that is the GTO 2. It was the same day when my interview was also scheduled. So the GTO 2 day was basically an individual tasks day, because the first task of this day was the individual obstacles. I couldn't face any difficulties because all the facilities that were provided here, I could complete all the tasks very soon and in time. I could even repeat some obstacles that were in the individual obstacles, so I could secure so many great points in individual obstacles. Then the time of final group task, we were given the time of 5 minutes, but we merely completed the task in 30 seconds. And our GTO was really great because he was really cooperating with us. And one more task was left, that is the command task. I was given the task to defuse a bomb, and every stage I was trying to solve the task. The GTO was trying to enhance the difficulty level, but I didn't give up. Every time he raised the difficulty level, I gave my answer on the spot. I was really confident about my answers, so he kept on increasing in his difficulty level, and that was the point I got to know that I am really confident now that my task in the SSB is really going well. So after that time, the complete GTO was completed and it was the time for my interview. My interview went really well because it was somewhat connected to my psychology and my GTO part. So somewhat the questions were interlinked that I wrote during my psychology test. I was really prepared for these questions, and I didn't face any kind of difficulties. And as per my OIR, I was asked 3 rapid fire rounds, which has collective of 18 questions and 12 questions and 10 questions of each. So I could answer maximum questions I could possibly answer. Then the rest of the questions were interacted between me and the the interviewing officer, and it went really well. The interviewing experience was very awesome because I couldn't find myself in a place where I could find difficulty in answering any of the questions, as most of the questions were really friendly to me. I have been into mock interviews here in the academy, which helped me a lot in performing at the time of interview. My interview didn't go too long, it went just for 30 minutes. And after that interviews also, I was sure that I'll get this recommendation. Then comes the last day, that is our conference. My conference didn't go quite long, it just went for 30 seconds. I was asked some basic questions, that how was my stay over the SSB center, did I go anywhere to visit in Allahabad, and is there any suggestion if I could give. But there was no any such suggestion because the environment and the location of Allahabad SSB board is really great. So that's all I would like to conclude. Thank you so much.